Hello and welcome to the Rudridge Yard in Gravesend, Kent. Today I've been joined by the General Manager of Rudridge, Paul Duke. Paul, what are we going to be talking about today?
Today, Tony, we're going to be looking at safety. How do we keep our staff and customers safe when entering the yards?
So Paul, we both obviously work for Rudridge, and when I come to the yard I have to wear one of these high-vises. I have to put my steel toe caps on. Why is that?
When working in the yard, we require people to wear steel toe cap boots. This is as a safety measure to stop any falling objects damaging people's feet. It's mandatory to wear high-vis vests in the yard. This is so we can be seen by the forklift drivers and we have no accidents. Here at Gravesend, we have segregated customer parking and we have barriers here, which means that the customers have to go into the office first before they're allowed to enter the yard.
Let's go and have a look at the yard.
We've moved up to the barrier. This is to stop any visiting drivers from entering the yard. As you can see, it's very well signposted. They must get out of the vehicle and report to the office.
We've got the yellow arrows. Once the guys are inside the barrier, how do they turn their lorries round?
They don't turn around in this yard. Gravesend is fortunate, and this forms part of their traffic management system. They have a one-way in and out. The vehicles come through the barrier into the main yard. They can load and offload, and then we have a separate exit gate.
So Paul, I'm guessing things have changed quite a lot in the yard. You know, I mean, in the old days there would have been a lot more emphasis on manual labour, but I look at some of the machinery, these JCBs, I mean, they're great for the yard, aren't they?
At Rudridge, we try and avoid as much manual handling as possible. We've introduced the hydraulic grab systems. These are to stop people bending down, lifting heavy objects and getting back injuries.
As we look over my shoulder, I can't help but notice how clean and tidy everything is.
We pride ourselves in keeping everything tidy. We try and avoid any loose banding, any debris or rubbish left in the yards. This is partly to avoid any slips and trips. It's also that if we keep things in their rightful stock places, it's easier for offloading and onloading. As you can see, these forklifts are fully extendable and can be lifted and offloaded from one side only. The vehicle will be offloaded and all the material will be put back straight into stock. When we're delivering small items, we put them in a plastic crate. This is a very strong crate that can be strapped to the bed of the vehicle and make sure everything is secure when it's being delivered. All Rudridge depots have a scan lift mechanical device which is suitable for offloading chambering. This alleviates the need for chains and pins, which was the traditional method. This stops them needing to get onto the bed of the vehicle.
So Paul, if the staff are in the office and they want to communicate with someone right over the far side of the yard, how would they communicate?
Well, all our branches, we have walkie-talkie systems. Now, all of them can be fitted with a hands-free kit for when they're driving the forklifts. Ideally, we use these when we need a trained banksman to come and reverse a vehicle in any way. This is one of the new generation Rudridge vehicles, and as you can see, it's fitted with 1 metre deep sides. This acts as a full arrest system and is compulsory on all sites in London. For product storage, we keep our bulk bags and we stack them in a pyramid fashion, which is like a triangular shape, and we go to a maximum of 3 high.
Thanks to Paul. For more information on safety policies, please visit the Rudridge website on www.rudridge.co.uk.